What's going on, boys? It's your boy Solly, and in this one, as you can read from the title, I'm assuming that's probably why you guys are here. We're going to teach you guys how to blip shift in less than 5 minutes. So I'm assuming you came here after you've gotten a bike, and after after you've gotten a bike and after you've learned how to shift, and now you're here. So blip shifting is, and I guess you could say rev matching. So it's essentially the same thing as regularly shifting. So I'll kind of show you here first, and then I'll explain it. So boom, just like that, and boom, just like that. So now, explaining it wise, pretty much all you're doing is, so when you shift up, obviously you're on the throttle, you're gonna let off, you're gonna pull in your clutch, you're gonna shift up, let go of the clutch, back on the throttle, right? That's how you shift up. Blip shifting up is the same thing. You're not changing anything, except you're doing it all at the same time. So instead of letting go, then pulling in the clutch, then kicking up, you're going to be doing them all at the same time. So let's see if I can get a motion here. So you're on the throttle, you're going to let off, pull in the clutch, and kick up all at the same time. One motion. See what I'm doing here? Boom, 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 boom. All one motion. So instead of doing it all separately, it's the same thing you've been doing if you know how to shift. It's just combining them all and doing it at the same time. That's the only difference. So yeah, I'll do it one more time here, and I'll put it in slow-mo so you guys can see what I'm doing. Simple as that. Now, rev matching, aka downshifting, it's essentially the same thing. So you're gonna downshift like you normally would. You're gonna let off the gas, you're gonna pull in the clutch and kick down, except this time to blip shift down, to rev match, what you need to do is when you shift down, instead of letting off the throttle, you need to, vice versa, give it just a little bit of gas. You don't need to punch it, just a little tiny blip, and that's why the name is blip shift. So you want to go down into first, blip, just a little tiny arm, that's all you want to give it. It's the same thing. So same thing as shifting up, except you're just doing it backwards because you're going down. So let's see, blip shift up. Now we're in second gear, about midway RPMs, blip shift down. The problem, you want to do it all one smooth motion. That's the key to blip shifting. You don't want to always be holding in on the clutch. You don't want to be all wonky and janky with it. You just want to be smooth, nice, in one motion. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for blip shifting. It's really as simple as that. Once you know how to shift the bike normally, it's really all about just combining everything you've learned into just one smooth motion. And really, I'm telling you, it's really as simple as that. And if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because coming soon, I got an R6 versus highway video coming out. So I'm telling you, you don't want to miss that one.